Hello everyone. Some of you already know about Node MCU and some of you don't. So in this video, we will be learning about Node MCU and how to program it using Arduino IDE. Node MCU is an open source IoT platform based on ESP12 and ESP32. Before moving to Node MCU, we will discuss IoT. IoT stands for Internet of Things. Here, things means all the devices which need to be connected with the internet. In simple words, IoT is a system that includes devices with a unique ID that are capable of sending and receiving data from the internet without any human interaction. Let us see one example of IoT. As we have seen in the video that a light bulb is controlled via the internet. Likewise, we can control any device through the internet. Now, we'll move to the Node MCU. Node MCU stands for Node Microcontroller Unit. It has two variants. First one which comes with ESP8266 and second one which comes with ESP32. In this video, we will discuss Node MCU 8266. It consists of ESP8266 Wi-Fi enabled chip, which is a low-cost Wi-Fi chip developed with TCP/IP protocol. ESP8266 comes with the capability of 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, 16 GPIO pins, I2C serial communication protocol, SPI serial communication protocol, I2S interfaces for DMA, 10-bit ADC, UART and pulse width modulation. Now we move to the board. It consists of voltage regulator to maintain 3.3 volts, a CP2102 USB UART bridge which is used for programming the Node MCU, one reset button and reset pin for resetting the board, one flash button for flash firmware onto the board, 16 digital input-output pin from D0 to D7, EX, RX, S0 to S3, CLK and CMD, one ADC pin A0 for analog input, 4 PWM pin D2, D5, D6, D8 for analog output, 3 3.3 volt pin for powering another modules, 4 ground pins and 1 VN pin for powering the board. We can power the board in two ways, either by applying a voltage between 6 to 12 volt to the VN pin or through USB micro port present on the board. Programming Node MCU with Arduino IDE, we have to remember that we can only use 11 pins of Node MCU for both input-output digital pin and 1 pin of analog input in our Arduino code. Here are the pins of Node MCU which are mapped with Arduino. Pin D0 of Node MCU is 16th pin on Arduino. Likewise, D1 pin is 5th pin, D2 pin is 4th pin, D3 pin is 0 pin, D4 pin is 2nd pin, D5 pin is 14th pin, D6 pin is 12th pin, D7 pin is 13th pin, D8 pin is 15th pin, A0 pin is A0 pin, TX pin is 1st pin, RX pin is 3rd pin. Now for uploading code to the Node MCU board, first we have to download the Node MCU library. For doing so, you have to follow the following steps. Open Arduino IDE, click on Files, then click on Preferences, paste the given URL, then click on OK. Now go to Tools, then click on Board, then Board Manager. Wait for some time till all the boards are downloaded. Scroll down, you will find ESP8266 by ESP8266 community. Now click on Install, install the library and then click on Close. Now again click on Tools, select your board. You have to select Node MCU 1.0, then click the uploading speed, that is 115200. Now here write all of your code, verify it and then upload it. Hope you like this video. Please like, share and comment.